So let's start with how Glaut ensures higher quality responses, the voice-only mode. Thanks to the voice-only setting, you can design interviews where participants are required to speak. And when people talk, they can't fake it. No speeding, no straightlining, no bots. Just real, thoughtful answers in their own voice. So this isn't just a design choice, it's a quality control mechanism. Let's see it. Now I'll go through a quick voice-based interaction so you can see how Glaut moderates the session in real time and in voice-only mode. So
Hello. Thank you for joining me today. Let's get started with the first question. Which brand of smartphone do you currently use?
Apple. I'm using Apple.
Great. Could you share a specific example of what you like about using your Apple smartphone?
Okay, as you can see in the interview interface, the respondent only see the microphone. There's no text box, no way to cheat the system. I have to respond through voice. The second way Glaut ensures high-quality responses is through what we call the uncooperative detector. This is more than a basic screener. It's a live safeguard that continuously monitors participant behavior and removes low-quality respondents while the interview is still happening. So instead of discovering bad data at the end, you prevent it from entering your dataset at all. Glaut detects inattention, nonsense input, toxicity, and speeding and acts instantly without human intervention. Let's pretend I'm an uncooperative participant who's trying to rush through the end of this interview.
Hello. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. Let's get started. Which brand of smartphone do you currently use?
I don't know.
It seems like you might not be sure. Could you please check your phone and let me know the brand?
I don't know.
It looks like you're providing inconsistent replies. Could you please check your phone and tell me the brand?
Glaut now, he's warning me, you see? I don't know.
Thank you for your time, but we'll need to end the interview as it's not progressing.
And now he's redirecting me out of the interview. Here it is. The third way Glaut protects data quality is by detecting inconsistency responses during the interview. In qualitative research, inconsistency often means someone's not really paying attention. Glaut spots these moments automatically and takes action in real time. Let me show you a simple example. We're interviewing participants about their chocolate preferences. Among the 6 questions, 2 are designed to check for consistency.
Let's get started with the first question. How often do you eat chocolate in a typical week?
Every day.
Thank you. What type of chocolate do you usually prefer?
This is the first one. Dark chocolate.
When do you usually crave chocolate the most?
After lunch.
Is there a type of chocolate you dislike or avoid?
This is the check for consistency question. So, dark chocolate.
It seems like there's an inconsistency in your responses. You mentioned that you usually prefer dark chocolate, but now you're saying you dislike or avoid it. Could you clarify this for me?
Dark chocolate.
Thank you for your time, but we'll need to end the interview as it's not progressing.
And now he's redirecting me out. Here we are to our final feature, the interpretative score. Glaut uses interpretative analysis to evaluate how meaningful, specific, and clear a participant's responses are. Not one by one, but looking at the full picture across multiple questions. Here's an example from a study on jazz music. We ask participants 3 open-ended questions on the topic. Glaut looks at all 3 answers together and assigns an interpretative score across 3 dimensions: clarity, specificity, and relevance score. So, these aren't numeric scores, they're qualitative classifications, high, medium, or low. Let's take specificity, for instance. We asked Glaut to assess how detailed and precise someone is when talking about jazz across all 3 answers. And if you want to quantify this qualitative score, you can export the data into a CSV file through this button. Here, we are into the CSV file exported from Glaut, and here you can see Glaut automatically applies a codebook, so low 1, medium 2, high 3. And also, Glaut allows you to create an expert score by summing the 3 dimensions, giving you a range from 3 to 9. In this case, we set the bar at 8 or 9, meaning only participants with consistently high quality, thoughtful answers on all 3 questions move forward.